So typically when I do a car wash or any detail, you get your supplies out, and for me, my supplies are all in the back of my garage. Everything is organized, but it's a lot of back and forth time, and if I need something and I need to move from one side of the vehicle, I've got to pick up all these individual bottles or put them in a bucket, then carry the bucket around to the other side of the house, and just takes up a lot of time. So one thing that I've been needing within my arsenal that I finally got is right here, and we're going to be unboxing it and putting it together, and I'm going to showcase how a tool such as this can take time off of my detail and get me back inside with my family faster, and just make my back and everything not ache quite so much. So let's see what's in the box. And we have a detailing cart. Pardon the bump. Make sure you're still centered. Sorry about that. I still have my car in the garage, so it's a little tight right here. So, as you can see, this is the McKees 37 Carolina detailing cart. I've been saving for this and really excited about finally being able to use this in my arsenal. So we're going to put it together. I'm going to show you guys how I put it together. Get all these parts out. And look, I even have pictures. So it's not like IKEA where you've got just a bunch of random words and you got to figure it all out. This is my kind of instructions, McKees. Way to go. We're going to put this together in a quick jiffy and put this to good use today. Alright, so now that we got all of our shelves out, my kids can make an awesome rocket ship out of this box. Let's put it together. Alright, we've got everything put together and I'm starting to fill it up. I have a Honda in for just an exterior wash. Customer had a run-in with something, so she wants me to try to polish out some scratches and some bird poop etchings because she's trading it in for a new vehicle. But we've got our water with our grit guard and soap already ready to go. We've got our various microfibers. We're going to do some polishing, so I've got my polisher, polishing pad, and polish of choice, and we'll actually do a video on that in a little bit. And I need this for door jams, and I need this for glass. And now that we've got all of our supplies, I have to make one trip instead of going back and forth or trying to carry everything in buckets or make multiple trips and dropping things. Now I've got everything at my fingertips, so now I'm ready to go with washing the vehicle. I'll get my rolling cart seat out and we will do our tires and wheels, get that done, and then when it comes time to washing, I've got everything at my fingertips that I might possibly need. What's fantastic about this, one, solid, well made. If I make any sort of messes, I can clean it up here on the cart versus, making spills or dropping microfibers on the ground. It's a very easily maintainable space. There are additional things that you can purchase for this. I paid a little extra for the bucket insert because that is something that I will use greatly. I'm not looking for this, just for like a cleaning cart. I need it specifically for washing vehicles and then having my chemicals nearby. You can purchase a organizer, a bottle organizer, to kind of keep them from falling over, and that may be something down the road that I look for. You can also get a outlet add-on. That way you can have 3 outlets if you want to plug in any lights or polishers. That way you have the option to do that. But I'm ready to go. I've got everything I need at my fingertips, and we've got brakes here in case we start to roll away. We'll get those in place, and I just wanted to show this product with you guys. I'll put the link for it down below if any of you guys are looking for a quality, well-made detailing cart. It's going to make my life a whole lot easier. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. But we're going to get moving on this, and I just thought I would share this fantastic cleaning cart with you guys. All right, have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.